Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential morning market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. The dollar is in free fall this morning. The ICE US dollar index plunged 0.8% yesterday, hitting 96.8, dangerously close to the four-year low we saw in late January. The Sell America theme is back with a vengeance, driven by Japan's parliamentary earthquake and reports that China is actively moving away from U.S. assets. December retail sales data finally dropped after delays from the fall government shutdown. The numbers? Flat. Zero growth. After surging through spring and summer 2025, American consumers hit the brakes hard. Corporate America is sending mixed signals. CVS Health beat earnings with 8% revenue growth, but the stock dropped 3% as investors fixate on Medicare business challenges. Coca-Cola delivered a rare sales miss despite 13% growth in Coke Zero, sending shares down sharply. TSMC posted monster January sales, up 37% year over year to over $12 billion. The NVIDIA supplier continues riding the AI wave, signaling that artificial intelligence demand remains robust. The bond market is buzzing over Alphabet's plans to borrow up to $15 billion. Bloomberg reports the deal may include 100-year maturity bonds. This follows their announcement of $175 to $185 billion in capital expenditures for 2026. Across the Atlantic, UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer is fighting for his political life. His chief of staff and communications director both resigned over the Peter Mandelson appointment after documents revealed Mandelson received $75,000 from Jeffrey Epstein and maintained contact after Epstein's conviction. Scottish Labour leader Anas Sarwar became the most senior party figure calling for Starmer's resignation. Japan just delivered a geopolitical earthquake. Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi's Liberal Democratic Party secured approximately 316 seats, achieving the first two-thirds supermajority since World War II. President Trump congratulated her, and Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent praised the strengthened U.S.-Japan alliance. This gives Takaichi massive political capital to pursue constitutional revision and defense spending increases. The Senate is racing to avoid a third government shutdown before Friday's deadline. Republicans and Democrats are trading papers on a Department of Homeland Security funding package. Senate Majority Leader John Thune may cancel the planned recess if negotiations stall. House investigators are turning up the heat on foreign influence. The Ways and Means Committee is holding hearings today exposing far-left nonprofits allegedly funded by China-based tech tycoon Neville Roy Singham. Chairman Jason Smith is demanding records and threatening to revoke tax-exempt status for groups he claims are operating as unregistered foreign agents. Trump is squeezing Russia by targeting its proxies. After capturing Venezuelan dictator Nicolás Maduro, striking Iran's nuclear program, and negotiating with India to stop buying Russian oil, the administration is cutting Moscow's supply chains. A 314-person prisoner exchange last week signals progress toward a settlement. That's your signal to Alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. See you at the opening bell.